Hey there, viewers! Today we're looking into some fascinating research about how chocolate might actually help certain health conditions through its effects on cellular energy production. A small study from the University of California, San Diego found that giving people with type 2 diabetes and heart failure daily chocolate improved their muscle cell function. After 3 months, the patients showed cellular changes similar to what happens after physical training. The key issue for people with heart failure and type 2 diabetes involves their mitochondria. These tiny structures inside cells serve as cellular power plants. In these conditions, mitochondria develop problems that prevent them from generating enough energy for proper cell function. This energy deficit contributes to many symptoms these patients experience. Researchers investigated whether cacao supplements could help address this problem. Cacao contains a compound called Epicatechin, which appears to stimulate mitochondrial energy generation. Previous animal studies showed this compound works as a partial exercise substitute, but functions even better when combined with actual physical activity. To test this in humans, researchers gave 5 patients daily chocolate portions that provided 100 milligrams of Epicatechin. This came in the form of chocolate pieces and special cocoa beverages totaling about 400 calories daily. The results showed remarkable changes in the subject's muscle cells. Researchers measured significant increases in nitric oxide levels, which improves blood flow and cellular function. They also found increased production of a protein called PGC1 alpha, which triggers cells to create more mitochondria and enhances their development. The cacao supplementation also activated CYRT1, sometimes called the Methuselah enzyme, which plays important roles in cellular health and longevity. This enzyme helps regulate various cellular processes and has been linked to potential anti-aging effects. Perhaps most importantly, the mitochondria themselves physically changed. They became more compact and developed more cristae, which are the folded membranes inside mitochondria where energy production occurs. This structural change essentially means the cellular factories gained more machines for energy production. While the study didn't specifically measure whether subjects became physically fitter, the cellular changes strongly suggest their muscles gained improved capacity to convert nutrients into energy. This could potentially translate to better physical function and endurance. This research connects to other studies showing various compounds that can improve mitochondrial function. Substances like creatine ginseng, R-alpha, lipoic acid, acetyl L-carnitine, and others have shown promise for supporting mitochondrial health and potentially enhancing stamina. The findings raise interesting possibilities for helping people with conditions that impair energy production at the cellular level. However, it's important to note this was a small preliminary study and more research is needed before making specific recommendations. Thanks so much for watching today's video about this fascinating research on cacao and cellular energy. I'll see you next time with more interesting health and science information.